Si Aning mag-go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Good day, I am Matt Brian Ignacio, a nursing student from Opo, Pampanga. Today I will be demonstrating two transfer technique, bed to wheelchair transfer and wheelchair to bed transfer. The purpose of this procedure is to promote mobility and prevent falls and injuries, encourage independence and maintain proper mechanics. First, I will say all the procedure and the steps doing the transfer, then I'll demonstrate the steps. First, I will perform the hand hygiene. And hand hygiene is the most effective way to prevent the spread of microorganism. I will gather and prepare all the necessary equipment. Preparing equipment beforehand promotes efficiency and patient safety. Good day, Mr. Richard. May I verify your first name, last name, and date of birth?
Richard Martinao Chico.
A proper patient identification prevents errors and promotes safety. Today, I will assist you in transferring from bed to wheelchair and wheelchair to bed. And please tell me if you feel dizzy, weak, and uncomfortable at any time. Explaining the procedure promotes cooperation and reduces anxiety. I will provide privacy by closing the curtain and ensuring area of free from hazard. Privacy preserves dignity while clutter-free environment reduce the risk of injury. The steps for bed to wheelchair transfer is positioning the wheelchair bedside to the bedside of the patient, stronger side, and locking the wheelchair brakes. Lock brakes prevent wheelchair movement during transfer. Okay. I am raising the footrest and clearing the transfer pathway. Removing the obstacles promotes safety and lowering the bed so that the patient feet can rest flat on the floor. Okay. Proper positioning improves stability during standing. Mr. Richard, please move toward the side of the bed and I will assist you on sitting position. I am assisting the patient to sit on the side of the bed and allowing the patient to dangle for a few moments. Dangling helps prevent dizziness caused by sudden position change. Mr. Richard, are you feeling dizzy or lightheaded?
No.
Okay. Assisting the patient condition helps prevent falls and applying the gait belt securely around the patient's waist. A gait belt provides support and enhanced safety during transfer. Now on the count, I'm gonna put the gait belt on. Okay. On the count of 3, we're gonna stand Mr. Richard, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm gonna do pivot, transfer. Okay, sit down, Mr. Richard. Okay. I am assisting the patient to stand using a proper mechanics. Proper body mechanics protect both the nurse and the patient from injury. During the transfer, I did the pivot with the patient toward the wheelchair without twisting the back. Pivot reduces strain and prevents muscular injury. Mr. Richard, please back until you feel the wheelchair against your legs. This ensures proper positioning before sitting. Please reach for the armrest and slowly sit down. Now I'm assisting the patient into the wheelchair, ensuring the proper positioning. Proper positioning promotes comfort and prevents injury. Now we'll be doing wheelchair to bed transfer. First, I'll be locking the wheelchair brakes again and raising the footrest. This prevents accidental wheelchair movement. Mr. Richard, we will now transfer back to bed and I'll be applying the gait belt and positioning myself close to the patient. Close support promotes safety during standing. On the on the count to 3, we're gonna start, Mr. Richard. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm gonna turn towards the bed. Okay. You can sit down. Okay. Okay. Now coordinate movement reduce the risk of falls. I did the pivot with the patient towards the bed while maintaining the proper alignment. Proper body mechanics prevent injuries. Mr. Richard, please back until your legs touch the back of the bed. This ensures proper alignment before sitting. And please place your hands on the bed and slowly sit down. Okay? I'm assisting the patient back onto the bed and positioning the patient comfortably. Okay. Proper positioning promotes comfort and safety, and lowering the bed ensure the side rails are positioned appropriately, and placing the call bell within reach. This intervention reduce the fall risk and promote patient safety. Okay. I will now remove equipment and perform hand hygiene. Hand hygiene prevents the spread of infection. Now I will document the procedure and the patient response. And documentation provides a legal record and ensure continuity of care. The transfer procedure is not complete. Thank you.